This conference will now be recorded.
So we are learning about a company creation process and fixed asset module. Okay, just I want to show you actually AX2012 R3 how it is looks like. Okay, if you go here, so this is the application AX2012, and you will find 1 minute. So how to press control? Look at this one. This is the application, and these are the companies. These are the companies. Okay, and these are the modules. Okay, if you go to any module, it will be bifurcated into 6 parts. For any module, it is 6 blocks. Look at this one. Common, journals, inquiries, reports, periodic, setup. In 2012, it is like this. Journals means transactions you are learning, and setups majorly you need to learn. You are learning periodics also, and then common. So vendors will show you, and inquiries and reports are reports. In D365 it was made it like inquiries and reports merged together. It was inquiries and reports. So the difference between inquiries and reports is inquiries means it is a kind of grid view. It is a report, but it is a grid view. Look at this one. It is a grid. Okay, this is inquiries. Okay, and the report means you are generating a report. It is in the white paper, white page. It is generating report. That is report. So inquiries and reports are merged now. Understood? The look and feel is this one like this. Suppose if I want to do invoice journal, you can click here like this. Look and feel is different. That's it. Like this. Okay. Look and feel is different. That's it. Fine. Now let me go back to our system. Let me go to APL. Are you able to hear me? Can anyone unmute and speak?
Yes, sir. You can hear.
So yesterday we learned about purchase order, acquiring a fixed asset using purchase order process. So if you go back to the yesterday topic, acquisition can be done through purchase fixed asset journal. You have learned in the very first. Next, yesterday we learned about purchase order to invoice. In that we have option fixed asset number or fixed asset group. Either one you can choose. Now let me show you this one very quickly. General journal. General journal means if you go to general ledger, collapse all, journal entries, general journals. Okay, then if you click on daily journal, lines, and you can select instead of ledger, you can select fixed asset. You can select fixed asset and you can do the acquisition. Got it? Instead of fixed asset journal, you can use it. But generally, we will not use this one. We will not use this one. The reason behind fixed asset journal and general journal, it is looks like same, almost same. Both are same. General journal or fixed asset journal. Both are same. Okay. Clear? Three methods. Actually, it is 4 methods. These are 2, and this is 1, and this is 1. So total 4 methods we understood. Now, inventory to fixed assets. What is this inventory to fixed assets? Inventory to fixed assets. Okay. What is this inventory to fixed assets? Means, suppose I'm purchasing laptops and I'm selling laptops. I'm purchasing laptops and I'm selling laptops. Then in my inventory, 20 laptops are there. In my warehouse, in my stores department, I have already 20 laptops. Now I want to take 2 laptops from there and I want to make it as a fixed asset and I want to use in the sales department. In the sales department, I want to move from warehouse or stores to sales department. Then whether I need to purchase it, is it required to purchase? Whether I need to purchase a separate order or I can use it in the inventory, whatever it is there.
You can use from
Venkat,
inventory.
yeah.
We can use from inventory.
Come again?
We can use
We
from
can
our
use from the
inventory.
inventory.
Yeah, we can use already existing inventory
Yeah,
into fixed assets. Am I right?
fixed assets. Yes.
So that's what inventory to fixed assets. So in this APL company, if I click new, then I need to select the journal name. It is looks like differently, right? Journal name is not there. Journal name is not there. Now, if you want to create journal name, where I have to go? Journal names. Whenever you are creating journal names, if this journal name is not there, where I have to go? If you want to create journal name,
General ledger, general setup,
general
ledger.
ledger, general ledger, journal setup, ledger. Am I right? Journal setup.
Yes.
Journal ledger, collapse all, journal setup, journal names. But
None.
it is not financial journal. This is inventory journal. This is inventory journal. So for that, we need to go to inventory management, collapse all, setup, journal names, inventory. In APL, it is not there. Okay, so for this, we need to create inventory journal. Where it is available? Inventory management, setup, journal names, inventory. Okay, we need to create one journal name. Click new. Now the journal name is type is inventory to fixed assets, means fixed assets. So you can write inventory to fixed assets. Here automatically voucher series is coming. You can use it. It is, you are not selecting manually. Whatever it is there, you can use it. Otherwise, if you want to create separate number sequence, you can create. Your wish. If you want to create new one, you can create. Otherwise, whatever it is proposing, you are not selecting, it is proposed, you can use. Okay, inventory to fixed assets. Now, if you go to this one, now it will show you the journal. You can click. So for this, we need to select fixed asset and item. Both should be selected. So let me create a new fixed asset and item. These all are acquired already. Yesterday we have acquired through purchase order process. Give me a second, it's loading. Okay, here this laptop is already acquired. Okay, through purchase order. Now I need to create new fixed asset. If you want to acquire a fixed asset, you need to create a new fixed asset. Computers. Suppose HP laptop. Then I can select HP laptop. Next, item. So suppose laptops we have created already. Let me verify on hand inventory is available or not. It is not there. On hand inventory is not there. So if it is there, then only you can convert. Am I right? Okay. So what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing, I'm doing some manual adjustment so that I can have some stock. This is not the best practice. I'm doing through workaround solution. Now on hand inventory is available. On hand inventory is available for this item, laptop. Okay. And if you go to manage cost, item price, manage inventory, on hand inventory, it is there, stock 5 quantity. Now cost price, I'm just checking, it is 0 because through adjustment I did it. That is the reason cost price is coming 0. Okay, fine. Now if this cost price is not there, then it will create problems. So what I'm doing as a workaround solution for this item, I'm making some cost price here in the manage inventory, fast tab, manage cost, here the price I'm entering, suppose 1,500 or $2,400. I have entered some cost price. Now you can select the item laptop, click tab, the cost price is coming automatically. Okay, so I have entered manually the cost price in the manage cost tab, fast tab. Manage costs fast tab, I have entered some price. That price is coming automatically. Now I can post. So click OK. Now, if you verify the fixed asset, if you go to the books, it is acquired. Open status, it is acquired. And now the acquisition price is 2,500, 400, whatever it is. This is inventory to fixed assets. Understood? Any questions here? Now you understood all these journals, am I right? Any questions in this one? Nothing, am I right? Next one is depreciation journal we have learned.
Sir,
Next
can
one
you
is
show one more
yeah.
time, one more transaction, the inventory to fixed asset?
Inventory to fixed assets. Okay. So you can click on. So let me go here. Journal entries, inventory to fixed asset journal. Click on new. Select the journal name. Select site and warehouse. Click OK. Click on new. Select the fixed asset number. You need to create one more fixed asset number. Suppose HP laptop 2. Okay, now I can select that laptop, not at required purchase laptop, and here you need to select item and the quantity and price. Price is coming from there, from here. Is now you need to click on post. Click OK. Understood?
Okay,
The
sir.
part is fixed assets. Fixed assets. Journal entries inventory to fixed assets. Inventory to fixed assets. To do these things, what is the prerequisite means this one. This is a prerequisite. one journal name should be created in the inventory journals, not in the fixed general ledger. Then you can use this one, and you can convert stores laptops into fixed assets. It's not only laptops, any item. Okay. Any questions, team? So, and one more thing, I'm informing you from many days. Okay, many people are listening my my video recording sessions. That is fine, but it is better to join for live session. Everyone, whoever is listening only video recording sessions, try to spend some time to join the live sessions, because live sessions will be effective and your complete mindset will be focused in the session only. If you are going through video recording session, at that time some other people will disturb you a lot. Okay. And second thing is, like, you can ask me questions if it is a live sessions. And third most important, I'm expecting everyone is practicing with the new company creation, doing all the setups. So this is your task. You need to practice in the new company and you need to come back to me with errors. So I'm expecting so many errors should be posted in the WhatsApp group. But now if you are not spending time, once it is completed the sessions, and if you are asking me, I cannot give explanation. I can give only clarification in the groups. I cannot explain you. Understood? So explanation, if you are attending the training sessions, I can teach you a number of times if you are not able to understand. Whereas once the sessions are over, no one will guide you or teach you. So one is clarification, one is learning. Teaching and learning is one guru should be there. Clarifications is on top of that, you can clarify yourself. So simple example I'm telling you, even though if I'm killing your time, I'm telling you, suppose you are asking me about 2,28,555. I'm not able to understand. Can you explain me? If you don't know 0 to 99, I cannot teach this amount, this account. Am I right? If you know 0 to 99 perfectly, after that, if you learn 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, like 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, you can, if you learn these things, you can understand what I'm speaking, like 2 crores 25 lakhs 54,443, some number. You cannot understand that number until and unless if you don't know about 0 to 99 properly. Okay, so company creation process is 0 to 99. Company creation process, whatever you are learning, it is 0 to 99. If you are not sure about 0 to 99, you cannot learn the entire thing. Of course, there is a market demand in the system, in the outside market. There is a huge demand. That is the reason you are getting job opportunities. I totally agree with you. But you need to practice with the company creation process and come back to me with the errors. I'm expecting errors. Definitely you will get errors. That because this is a big batch. I mean to say, it's a huge batch, but very few people are only joining for live sessions. Okay, so if it is a big batch, if majority people got opportunity, then I am expecting from you mouth spread. Like, I learned from this so and so person and I got opportunity and I settled down. That is my actually I'm expecting a gift, perfect gift from you, not money. Money, of course, it is required because I'm spending my time and I need money, but money is not my goal. My goal is if you join in a company and if you are informing to some other people, your colleagues, like, I learned from Satya and I learned this a lot. And if you are spreading that word, that will be helpful to me. Okay. For that, you need to practice company creation process. If you don't know company creation process, then you are not learning 0 to 99. If you are not learning 0 to 99, even though you are getting a job, you are not fulfilled, I mean to say, complete functional consultant. Okay, please practice and come back to me. And you need to make sure like the sessions should not be progressed. You need to interrupt me with errors a lot. That will grow you, that will help you a lot. Okay, fine. Now with this one, majority 90% fixed asset module is completed, but I want to introduce some more things. Acquisition we understood. Acquisition adjustment. What is this acquisition adjustment? If you want, you can use it. Acquisition adjustment. What is this acquisition adjustments? Means suppose you have acquired a fixed asset. Take the example machinery. Machinery you have purchased. That machinery is 20 crores. Machineries will be so much costly. It is 20 crores. Now this machinery 20 crores. There is a one component. It is like small component, inside component. 5 lakhs rupees worth of material component. It was damaged. After 2 years, 5 lakhs worth of some small part damaged. Now you have replaced 5 lakhs rupees. So this 5 lakhs rupees is a fixed as add-on to fixed asset or not? Is it?
Yes, sir. We have to add that to the asset.
We have to add that one through acquisition adjustment. We can add it. So if you go here in the fixed asset posting profiles, we have acquisition adjustment. So you need to map the ledger accounts. Next, we understood depreciation. And depreciation adjustment is also there. In case if it is, suppose I will tell you example like during 2014-15, there is a Hudhud Tufan came to Vizag and it was damaged heavily. It was damaged heavily in Vizag, Visakhapatnam. Then government has given depreciation adjustments. You can do some more values. So you can use on top of regular depreciation. You are going to do adjustment of the depreciation. More expenses you can book it on that year. So that is, I'm just giving example only. So you can use depreciation adjustment also. You can use depreciation adjustment as well. So in journals also we have the same, whatever it is there, fixed asset journals. Click on new, suppose acquisition, lines. You have options, that one, acquisition adjustment, acquisition adjustment, depreciation adjustment. We understood. Next, revaluation. So in general, for any item it is depreciation only. Okay, any item is appreciation is there. Appreciation. Any fixed asset, any item, any fixed asset, always it will be depreciated. Means if I purchase car, it will be depreciated. If you purchase laptop, it will be depreciated. But any item has appreciation in the world,
Land it is this.
Which one?
Land value. Land. Open land.
Land value. Yes. Always land value will not be decreased because land is fixed in the globe. You cannot produce land. Okay, some 23% or 24% land and 76% water, something it is there. So land is fixed. It will be keep on increasing the value of the land always. So that is the reason any person, if you are getting a job opportunity, you will try to purchase one home. Usually the reason behind the land value will be keep on increasing. Another one, suppose if it is a building, then it is land plus construction. Land plus construction. Construction value will be decreased and land value will be increased. So for this kind of things, we need to do revaluation. Understood? Revaluation is required. Periodically, we need to do revaluation. So that is revaluation. And write up and write down. Okay. So instead of revaluation, you can use write up. You can use write up. In some other countries, they may have used instead of revaluation, they will use write up. Then write down. What is this write down? Write down adjustment. Example, now Ukraine, there is a battle is going on, then the land value will be decreased a lot. Then it is write down adjustment, written down, written up, write up or write down. Understood? You can use it. Next, disposal of sale, disposal of scrap. All these things So equation, equation adjustment. Now you understood. Depreciation adjustment, revaluation, write up, write down, disposal of sale, disposal of scrap. Provision for reserve means suppose your machinery is your machinery, whatever you have purchased in 1995, and the life of the machinery is 30 years. Life of the machinery is 30 years. Now in 1995 you have purchased. Now it is 27 years over. So next in 2025, I need to purchase a big machinery by spending 20 crores, 30 crores. Then I cannot keep funds on 2025. In the year 2025, I cannot keep the funds at a time, 25 crores. Then I can, in this year, I can keep some provision for reserve and transfer from reserve. Provision for reserve means you are provisioning the reserve funds from 2022, 2023, 24, 25, and the accumulated amount you are going to spend and you are going to purchase like machinery. That is provision for reserve, transfer from reserve. Understood? Provision for reserve and transfer from reserve. Next, extraordinary depreciation. As I told you, like special occasions, you can use extraordinary depreciation and special depreciation also. That is based on the country. If they have given some extraordinary depreciation or special depreciation, you can use. Understood now all these words? Anyone has any questions in this area?
Sir, if for suppose there is any transfer from intercompany, one company to other company.
Okay.
Then in that case, which one we have to use? Sir? We have to create new
Transfer.
JV.
So here, in this one, company to company transfer is not there. It is a product limitation. One location to another location, if you want transfer, yes, transfer journal transfer function is available. It is very limited functionality here, like fixed assets, transfer fixed asset. This transfer fixed asset is one department to another department. Like this, you can do it. This is within the company. Within the company, you can use. Okay, so the reason behind here for this fixed asset, I need to have dimensions. Okay, give me a minute. I think we sold this one. Let me take this laptop. So if you want to transfer laptop, you can map from dimensions to 2 dimensions. Understood? From dimensions to 2 dimensions means one department to another department, one business unit to another business unit. That is possible. But from one company to another company means you need to sell this company. From this company, you need to purchase that in that company independently only. There is no transfer of fixed asset from one company to another company as per the process. As per statutory, you can sell this item and you can purchase, like another company will purchase this item. That's it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is this asking? Like transfer?
This is Venkateshwarlu, sir. Yes.
Okay. So after 20 minutes, I will give you some more details. Okay. After 20 minutes, we'll discuss that part.
Okay, sir.
Transfer fixed asset. Okay. After 20 minutes means at 9 o'clock, I will give you some more 2 minutes discussion. Fine. Any more doubts? Any more questions, team? Anyone? No. Fine. Now, one more new topic we are going to discuss: budgeting. Budgeting. Anyone know what is this budgeting? Your opinions?
Future cash flow.
Okay, kind of a future cash flow. Okay. Any other words?
Expected expenses and income.
Okay. Comparison or some processing of income and expenses. Okay. Any other words? Any other words?
Projections for future expenses.
Okay. Projection for future expenses. Yes, correct. Anything else? Any other words? Your own words. There we can use the so many words. It's a planning of expenditure. Am I right? Planning
Yes.
of expenditure.
Yes, sir.
So even central government, state governments, they have their own budgeting.
Yeah.
Budget. So what is this upcoming year? What are the incomes? What are the expenditures I need to put it? Expenditure versus incomes. I need to plan accordingly. Then I can publish to the government, to the public, and then I will spend money on expenses. Okay. So this budgeting or planning, if you don't have planning, what happened?
We cannot control the expenses
Exactly.
as per the budget.
Yes. You cannot control expenses, then your financial position will be heavily damaged. Even not only a central government or state government, even for you also it is applicable. You are getting salary 30,000 rupees. and you are spending 50,000 rupees, then your financial position will be balanced. Nothing, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose I will tell you, suppose 20 years back, I'm getting 20,000 rupees. At that time, I'm spending 15,000 rupees. Like 15 years back or 20,000, 15 years back, suppose I'm earning 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees, then I'm spending 15,000 rupees. Now I'm earning 1 lakh rupees, suppose. So can I spend only 15,000 till now also?
No, sir. Expenses will
And now,
increase.
right? Correspondingly, expenses also will be increased. I
Yes.
need to plan accordingly. Maybe 60,000, maybe 70,000, maybe 80,000, so that I can have some savings for my future life. Okay, fine. So now, example for how it is applicable for organization. So, like suppose you are booking like tickets to your employees. Okay, one person is booking tickets. It may be a flight tickets, it may be train tickets, it may be bus tickets. Generally, we are traveling in India by road, means bus, or by train, tracks, or by flight. Okay, suppose my CEO is going to Delhi, from Hyderabad to Delhi, and the clerk, I asked the clerk to book a ticket. Okay, then he or she booked like train ticket from Hyderabad to Delhi. It is 1.5 days, suppose. Means 2 days for going, 2 days for coming, 1 day for attending some seminar or some meeting. Then for the entire week, it was wasted for the CEO. Am I right? Is it correct? Is it correct?
No, sir.
No.
So train ticket is it is damaging the entire 1 week of the CEO of the company. CEO means the total head, right?
Yes.
The top person of the company. You are wasting his time by booking like a train ticket. So what in this case, what it should be?
Airways, like
Flight ticket. Morning at 6 o'clock, if you book a flight ticket, and he will reach by 7 o'clock morning, and he can land it like he can land in a hotel, and he can finish the meeting, and he can come back by evening. At he can book like it was return ticket, flight ticket at evening 9 o'clock or something, and he can reach by 10 o'clock, and he can finish his work and remain comfortable. It is me here. Is she or he wasting money of the company? No, am I right?
no, saving the time.
Yes, exactly. Now, one employee is traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Hyderabad to Bangalore. Now, she verified like flight ticket and she booked a flight ticket. Is it really required? Last time I have booked a train ticket, and now you blamed me like it is you have wasted money and time, and now you have last time you told me like flight ticket. Now I am booking flight ticket. Is it fine from
No,
Hyderabad to
sir.
Bangalore?
No,
For
sir.
No.
employee, it is not required.
For employee, even for CEO also it is required. Of course, CEO, it is employee. Usually we will not book flight ticket, am I right?
Yes, sir.
It is a normal company. So suppose if it is flight ticket is booked, some then employee need to travel from home to airport. Then it is a transportation expenses from airport to Bangalore airport, and from Bangalore airport to hotel. There is a once again amount, and once again coming. So flight tickets is expensive, and travel expenses also booking a lot. If it is a train ticket, suppose if it is a train ticket, train is available at suppose at 10 o'clock, but it is reaching at tomorrow next day 12 o'clock, suppose, then it is a waste of time. So then we need to book bus ticket. Bus ticket. If it is really employee is a little bit top position, manager or senior manager kind of thing, we can book sleeper coach, bus ticket, sleeper coach. Agree? So he can start at home, nearby to home only. He can pick the bus and he can reach directly like a hotel. Near to hotel, the bus can be, which bus is going to near to hotel, that can be booked, and it will be time and money saving. Understood? Any questions here? The logic. So every department in a company, they need to think, and the funds availability, based on the funds availability, simple example like flight tickets or train tickets or bus tickets will be booked. It is not only travel, for any expenditure. For any expenditure, you need to have planning of the budget. So these all are against expenses. Expenses need to be controlled in a proper manner based on the situations. Time and money both are important. Always time and money both are important. Based on that, you need to have. So budget means here control on expenses. Agree with me now?
Yes, sir.
Controlling on expenses is budget. Means budgeting is applicable for expenses in the system. The budget is applicable for expenses in the system. Let me show you. I'm going to USMF company. Okay, so if you go to budget, budgeting module, collapse all, budget register entries. Budget register entries. Here, click new and budget model. What is this budget model? You will understand later. And budget code. What is this budget code? You will understand. Okay, give me a minute. So budgeting, collapse all, setup, budget control configuration. You are going to learn this one tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Monday, tomorrow or Monday in depth. This is unit important. It is most important. You need to understand. Here up to 21 is only available. Let me create 22. This year it is not there. Okay, I will explain you all these things. Don't worry on this one. Okay, give me a minute. Cycle span is not there. Let me create cycle span. Budget cycle span. So let me map that budget cycle span. Budget model also let me create. All these things you will understand. Okay, it will take some time. Save and budget control, activate, click activate. Okay, now so now here budget control 602200. I'm creating 602200 financial year 2022 budget model 602200. Suppose I'm entering 5,000. Once it is entered, look at this one here. Green circle checkbox should come. Green circle checkbox should come. Otherwise, you should not post. This is in the draft mode. For expenses 602200, I have planned 5,000 and green checkbox is coming. Now it is in the draft mode. Now I'm updating. Update budget balances. Click on OK. Okay, now it is completed. So what is the original budget amount for this account?
5,000.
5,000. Now I'm entering some expenses. Click new, general journal. Okay, select that 602200. If I'm entering 5,500, whether it will allow me to post?
No, sir.
This is a bug actually. It is telling like, what is the error message? Can anyone read?
X transaction exceeds the budget. Funds available for dimension value 602200.
How much amount?
5,000 USD. Sorry, by 500 USD. Exceeded by 500 USD.
Suppose 5,000, $2 I'm entering. Whether it will allow me? How much amount it is failed?
Exceed by 2.
$2 it is exceeded. Suppose it is 5,000 0.01. 0.01 small amount, am I right?
Yeah.
That will allow me.
No.
No, sir.
It should stop. Even 0.1 also, 0.01 also big amount. It is amount,
Yes.
not a big amount, it is amount. Stop. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So you need to enter budget register entry, means each expenditure wise, each expense wise, expense account wise, what is the amount you need to configure, and whenever you are posting a transaction, if it is crossing that amount, it will throw error message. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is budgeting. Budgeting means you are keeping some funds, this much amount for this expenses, this much amount for this expenses, and in the register entry, you are registering in the budget register entries. While posting a transaction, it will not allow. Now, okay, 6,000, 5,000 is not allowed. Suppose I have entered $250. It will allow me, yes or no?
Yes, it will allow.
It will allow. So here you can show you, it will show you budget check passed. Earlier
Yes.
it is failed, it is passed. Now I am posting. It was posted. Now I am posting one more expenditure. General journal. Go to lines. 602200. Some amount. Okay. Whether it will allow me 4,800?
No, sir.
No. Why? What is the error?
Exceeding by $50.
So now tell me. So I have entered funds, that is budget amount, like original budget amount 5,000, and expenses, that is actual expenditure, is 250. Now it is throwing error message 5,000 minus 250. Am I right? This is the calculation. What is that means? Available budget. Is equal to 5,000 minus 250. It is 4,750. Agree with
Seven.
me?
Yes, sir.
Any questions here? Everyone agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So that's what here in the budget control configuration, we have budget funds available. Click on create draft. Now I'm removing all these things. You will understand all those things later. The formula budget funds available is equal to original budget minus actual expenditure. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow? So in the budget control configuration, budget funds available, we have defined a formula. Budget funds available is equal to original budget minus actual expenditure. Then whenever you are doing a transaction, if it is crossed that amount, it is going above. Make sense? Any doubt in this one?
Sir, I have one question. So, budget amount is only projections amount. So, it might be increase or decrease based on the actual expenses.
So that is tomorrow we are going to discuss. Actually, there is one more functionality. Budget codes, budget models, not models, budget codes only. There is original budget, transfer budget, budget. I will discuss with you all this because you are telling about revision.
Division, yeah,
Sometimes,
revised, budget revised.
yes, transfer
Okay.
budget, encumbrance budget. All these things we will discuss tomorrow. Now the basic information I have explained. One is
Yes.
you need to enter budget control configuration, and here you need to define the formula. Based on this formula, you need to enter budget register entry here, and this is budget funds availability for each expenses. For each expenses, what is the amount? We need to map it. And while posting journals, it is validating available budget is equal to original budget
Original budget minus actual expenses.
minus actual expenditure. We have learned. Clear? Any doubt in this till now? So the original budget you are entering in the budget register entry, and actual expenditure you are entering in the journals, and this formula is verifying in the budget control configuration. The budget control configuration, you are defining the control. Okay, continue with this one tomorrow. Now, just give me a minute.